Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're learning about adverbs of frequency. These words tell us how often something happens. When it's 100% of the time, we say always. If you do something most of the time, you usually use usually. For actions that happen quite a lot, we use often. When it happens sometimes, but not always, we say sometimes. If it happens very infrequently, we use rarely. And when it never happens, we say never. Think of it like a scale from 100% down to zero. Try writing your own sentence using one of these words. Practice makes perfect. You've mastered today's lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.